before everything else. Getting ready is the secret of success. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. There is no disgrace in honest failure. There is disgrace in fearing to fail. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible, at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Givers have to set limits, because takers rarely do. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle, as well as from your own. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. That the devil finds work for idle hands to do is probably true, but there is a profound difference between leisure and idleness. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. To see a thing clearly, the mind makes it begin to take form. Experience is the thing of supreme value. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. To teach that a comparatively few men are responsible for the greatest forward steps of mankind is the worst sort of nonsense. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is. It's how we use it that makes things possible. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Do you want to know the cause of war? It is capitalism. Greed. The dirty hunger for dollars. Take away the capitalist, and you will sweep war from the earth. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is, a great capacity for hard work. As long as we look to legislation, to cure poverty or to abolish special privilege, we are going to see poverty and special privilege grow. Don't find fault, find a remedy. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. I see no advantage in these new clocks. They run no faster than the ones made 100 years ago. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. It is not usual to speak of an employee as a partner, and yet what else is he? Failure is only the opportunity, more intelligently to begin again. We try to pay a man what he is worth, and we are not inclined to keep a man who is not worth more than the minimum wage. Money is like an arm or leg. Use it or lose it. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. The one aim of these financiers is world control by the creation of inextinguishable debt. A business that makes nothing, but money is a poor business. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Sometimes, you just don't like somebody. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. As we serve our jobs, we serve the world. Any man who thinks he can be happy and prosperous by letting the government take care of him better take a closer look at the American Indian. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Money doesn't make us anyway. It just masks us. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young.